Okay, so this is how the box comes. It's a really nice box, a lot of things you can do. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up and walk through all the things in this amazing all-inclusive card kit. This is the, yet again, Looking Up card kit. It comes with a nice instruction book. This one has some extra dimensionals they threw in there, so it's kind of covering part of the picture. This is the stamp set. Let me throw a piece of paper under it so you guys can see that a little better. Let's do a lighter shade. There we go. This is the stamp set that comes with it. So it's got a lot of really good sentiments. So very thankful for you. Happy birthday. Thanks so much. Feel better soon. Sorry, it's upside down. And I hear congratulations are in order. Little birds, little star, so very good versatile set. Besides the stamp set, we have everything we could use, we need for this all-inclusive stamp set. So stamp kit. So let's go ahead and open that up and we walk through everything that's in here. So first off, we've got our awesome block. So this is for our stamps, and just peel and stick. We have our envelopes. Look at those. Aren't those so pretty? Fun patterns on there. And the other side. Okay. Off to the side. We have some die cut shapes. So you just pop them out and stick them on our card. So really quick and easy. These are our card bases. So it's pre-printed and it's also pre-scored too. So you just fold it in half and you're good to go. So that's one of them. Here's the next design. So pretty with those balloons. Tropical. That airplane. And the last one is the cityscape. So what I love about these, besides the fact that the all-inclusive kit has everything, is that these are a really nice set for a guy or girl. So it could go for anybody. And we have our foil pieces. How beautiful are those? And these are actually giant stickers. So you just peel them right off and stick them right on your card. So super easy to use. So we have our shapes. Out. So these we just pop out or stamp and pop out. This is our little glue dots. These are two-sided glue dots. You just peel and stick and peel the backing off. And then, of course, this on the other side. This was the little foam dimensionals. Make it that little pop effect. And then the kits always include a handy-dandy instruction book. Check that out. So it shows example of card, and it's also in a bunch of different languages as well, but shows all the different components and, you know, step by step on how to make this. And the last piece for this all-inclusive kit is, of course, the tiny little ink spot. Mine already got used a little bit, but what's great is this is a beautiful little size tiny ink pad. It's great for starters or if you're going to try out a color. And what's also nice is Stampin' Up! Sells separately re-inkers. So if this dries out, you can just juice it back up and be good to go. So handy thing to know. And if you, of course, love any of the colors, we have lots more paper and supplies and things, all that coordinate. So now that we've walked through everything that's in this gorgeous kit, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and put it together and show you guys the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to make this amazing card kit. Before you go, I wanted to show you a couple other examples of cards that I had made with this kit. Now, these were the basic ones. So this is just the kit without any of the extra embellishments or details. But after making these, had so many extra pieces left over. I wanted to show some extra cards. So first off, if you wanted to use the extra pieces and kind of do some fun detail, you definitely could. These are just have the dimensionals behind them. Little trees. An extra piece of that sticker paper, and the plane's got dimensionals to pop it up. Popping up those balloons. And this one I added the little raindrops, and I put some little pieces of those dimensionals behind there to make it pop. And you can also use them to decorate your envelopes as well. It's a kind of a fun little surprise in the back before somebody opens them. Now, after doing all of those, I still had extras. So let me show you what else I made. Now, for these, I try to keep them as simple as possible. And I started with the Whisper White and Very Vanilla card bases, note cards and envelopes. So they're really good. They're just plain, and you can add whatever. So this is one, using that ink. Now, I did grab my pen, but you could easily just take the ink pad and swipe the bottom for that color effect. And then to punch that shape out, I did use the Taylor Tag Punch because it does coordinate with that beautifully. But I even just stamped this on the back of the sticker sheet. It's not fully dry yet. All right, here's another one with those balloon shapes on Whisper White, and I just took that ink pad and I just swished it all over to give it kind of a fun, colorful background. And this one's very simple. It's just one of those extra stickers with the airplane on top. And this one, I could have done it in the Bermuda Bay, but I thought it just looked better with the basic black. But just those trees and the birds and sentiment stamped. There's another one with just using those extra stickers, just kind of as a decorative edge. Now this tag shape is just the same decorative sticker. Hopefully that shows up okay. And I just trimmed off the excess. So that's another option too, is you can trim those out to get whatever shape you want, really. Okay. And here's the last one, just a simple balloon. So hopefully it'll give you some great ideas. This is a wonderful card kit that is simple and easy to use. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Do check out the rest of my videos and different things, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.